Hi everyone, welcome to Tom Tips. Hello everyone, welcome to Tom's Tips. Today we're going to speak about the hedging and in my opinion one of the best plants you can choose for your hedge. This plant is called Prunus Lusitanica Angustifolia. As you see, it's got slightly wide and longer leaves than other types of Prunus Lusitanica. I love this plant because it's creating one of the best hedges you can imagine. Look on this dark green on the bottom leaves, and then look on this fantastic light green over the top. That's the fresh grow from over the last couple of weeks. If you plant them with the correct spacing, depending how quickly the spacing we select, depending on how quickly and how fast we want our fence to be created. If we've got more time, we can think about the further spacing apart. If we want to have instant hedge, in closer we plant the hedge, and in more we're going to be trimming the tops and the sides. We're going to end up with the hedge much faster. Once the plants are planted for over the season and you starting getting all the sides, side breaks, what you need to do is regularly trim them. It's enough if we do it twice a year, but we have to see how our hedge will be reacting. Because once they planted and we finally decide how thick you want to be, and we carry on trimming all those side breaks, we end up with a complete wall of green. Absolutely amazing. If it's coming to pests and diseases, it suffers with mildew, but it can be easy control with some homemade stuff, or obviously we can go to garden center and buy one of the products, but it's not a particular issue. Where the problems is happening is when the roots are exposed to a sudden changes of conditions. So if we've got the years where we've got absolutely lots of rain, we might have to think about spraying it, or when they're absolutely dry, or when we've got suddenly changing from wet to dry, that might just trigger the disease. Apart of that, that plant is absolutely perfect. Thank you very much, and I hope that was very interesting for you, and see you next time.